Now let's do f of x equals to sin x. Let us restrict our domain to minus pi to 3 pi. That means we are not considering about the whole real number line. We have restricted to minus pi to 3 pi. Here, what is our first derivative? First derivative is derivative of sin x is cosine x. Derivative of cosine x is minus sin x. Now we will find where our double derivative is 0. Double derivative is minus sin x. 0 implies sin x is 0, and sin x becomes 0 at all integer multiple of pi. That means pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, and so on. So x in this interval, our integer multiple of pi are 0 times pi, which is 0, or 1 pi, or 2 pi. This much we have 0 or pi or 2 pi in this interval. Now let's make the sign chart. Here we have 3 points. Let's first restrict our domain. Our domain is from minus pi to 3 pi. We are not bothering about other points, other part of this number line. We are only considering about minus pi to 3 pi. So here we have 3 points: 0 pi, 2 pi, 0 pi, and 2 pi. Now we have 4 parts: minus pi to 0, 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi, 2 pi to 3 pi. In each part we will find the sign of double derivative. So what is our f double dash? F double dash is minus sin x. So we want to find the sign of minus sin x. We have the intervals minus pi to 0. This is our one interval. Then 0 to pi, then pi to 2 pi, then 2 pi to 3 pi. See, in Cartesian plane, this is our first quadrant, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and in first quadrant our sign is positive. Sin x has sign positive. Here also positive. Sin x sign here is positive, and in this quadrant it is negative. Here also it is negative. First we have minus pi to 0. Minus pi to 0 means we have all negative x, and x lies what is minus pi? Minus pi means and clockwise pi. So this is minus pi, this axis. 0 is positive x-axis, and we are in third and fourth quadrant, minus pi to 0. And here we have sin x negative. So we have sin x negative. What is double dash? Double dash is minus of sin x, so it is positive. So f double dash is positive. In 0 to pi, this is our 0 and this is our pi. 0 to pi means first quadrant and second quadrant. We have all positive values between 0 degree to 180 degree, or 0 radian to pi radian. So those are in first quadrant and second quadrant. We have sign positive. So sign is positive, minus sign is negative. So f double dash is negative. In pi to 2 pi, that means third quadrant to fourth quadrant, 180 degree to 360 degree. And here we have sign negative. Sin x sign is negative. So minus of sign is positive. So f double dash is positive. Similarly, in 2 pi to 3 pi, 2 pi means you have made one circle 360 degree. You have already completed one revolution. Then up to 3 pi. This is 2 pi. Then 2 pi to 3 pi means first quadrant and second quadrant. Here we have sin x positive. So minus sin x is negative. So f double dash is negative. Therefore, this is concave up, concave down, concave up, concave down. And what are inflection points? At 0, our concavity changes from concave up to concave down. At pi, concavity changes concave down to concave up. At 2 pi, also concavity changes. So we have 3 inflection points at 0, pi, and 2 pi. So corresponding fx values are At 0 our sin x is 0, so inflection points 0 0, inflection points 0 comma 0. Then at pi we have fx is sin x, pi sin of pi is 0, so pi comma 0 is also an inflection point. At 2 pi also functional value is 0, so at 2 pi comma 0 we have another inflection point. So these three are inflection points, and which intervals are concave of? Concave of intervals are minus pi to 0, pi to 2 pi. Concave down intervals are 0 to pi and 2 pi to 3 pi. 2 comes out, outer function is square of this one, so 2 times 2 to the power x square minus 5, 2 minus 1 which is 1, then the derivative of inner part is 2x square minus 5, its derivative is 4x, derivative of 2x square, 2 comes out, 2 times 2 is 4, x to the power 2 minus 1 which is 1, derivative minus 5 is 0. So this much. First derivative is let us simplify, this is 8x times 2x square minus 5, then 8x goes inside, you have 16 x cube minus 40x. This is our first derivative. Double derivative of this one, first derivative of this one is 3 times 16 which is 48 times x to the power 3 minus 1 which is 2 minus derivative of 40x, 40 times derivative of x is 1. So this is our double derivative. Now we will make our double derivative 0, which occurs at 48x square minus 40 equals to 0. That implies 48x square is 40. That implies x square is 40 over 48, and it cancels by 8. We have 5 over 6. So x is square root of 5 over 6 plus or minus. So we have 2 points, square root of 5 over 6 and minus square root of 5 over 6, where our double derivative is 0. Now sin set, this is our whole number line. Here number line is not restricted, so we have to take the all real number line. We have minus root 5 over 6, so minus comes first. We have minus 5 over 6, and here we have plus square root of 5 over 6, and these 2 points divides the real number line in 3 parts. This we will take one single point from each part and we'll check the sign. Here this is from minus to plus, so we have 0 inside it. And what is our double derivative? Double derivative is 48 x square minus 40. This is our double derivative. What is double derivative? Double derivative 48 x square minus 40. So put 0 means it gives minus 40, so f double dash is negative here. Now put any bigger number, suppose 100. 100 is clearly larger than this number, so what is this? This is clearly positive. F double dash is positive. 48 times 100 square minus 40, which is positive clearly. And here you can put minus 100 in place of x. Clearly minus 100 lies in this part, so minus 100 square, which is positive, so this is a large positive, that is positive. So these 2 points are inflection points because f double dash changes sign from positive to negative, from negative to positive. So these are inflection points, and this interval we have concave off, concave off, concave down. So concave off in minus infinity to minus square root of 5 over 6 union square root of 5 over 6 to plus infinity. Concave down in minus square root of 5 over 6 to square root of 5 over 6. Inflection point at this point, inflection point at x equals to, let us write at x equals to minus 5 over 6 and x equals to square root of 5 over 6. What are y values? You have to put this point in place of x our function is 2x square. Our function is f is 2x square minus 5 square. When you put this point, you have 5 over 6 positive, so that is 5 over 3. You calculate value of y is something, value of y. Then you have order pair where inflection point occurs. This is it. If you have any question, then comment in comment section, and I will try my best to make a separate video on that. Till then, thank you.